When I want something, what do I say? I use kind words in a gentle way. I don't shout, I don't demand. I smile and ask, I understand. Kind words make the world shine bright. They make everything feel right. Please, please don't forget, they're the magic words we use, you bet. Thank you, loud and clear. Kind words bring us joy and cheer. Excuse me when I pass by. Sorry if I make you cry. Magic words we love to say help us shine in every way. When someone helps me or is kind, I say thank you right on time. If I make a small mistake, sorry is the word I say. Good manners show the love we share. Kind hearts everywhere. Please, please don't forget, they're the magic words we use, you bet. Thank you, loud and clear. Kind words bring us joy and cheer. Excuse me when I pass by. Sorry if I make you cry. Magic words we love to say help us shine in every way. At home, at school, out to play, we use kind words every day. Big or small, it's always true. Good manners start with me and you. Please, please, nice and kind. Thank you shows a grateful mind. Excuse me, sorry too. Good manners look so good on you. Every word we choose to say makes the world a brighter day.